Hello everybody, this is Kevin. I am one of your SLO coordinators. I put this video. It's called How to Enter Data or Data into SPOL for Non-Leads. What do we mean by non-leads? Every SLO will have a lead or a person who puts in the information in SPOL, for example, the measurement tool and the rubric that you used. If you're not in charge or you're not the lead, then you will just come here and watch this video and follow the steps. What am I including in this video? The video overview is like this. Number one, I'm going to show you how to enter SPOL step by step. Number two, I'm going to give you some helpful hints along the way so that you do not get lost. And then number three, and again I've said this earlier, if you get into SPOL and you're starting to enter your data and you don't see a measurement or a rubric, it means that your lead, the person in charge of that SLO for that course, has not put their information in yet. I do have a video on how to put that information in, or you can contact your lead. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you'll want to go to the home page, click on Faculty and Staff, come over to Strategic Planning Online, or SPOL for short. Once that comes up, you're going to want to enter. Your username is the first part of your email address. It's like logging into Canvas. And then your password, hit enter or log in. Once you're here, the first thing you want to do always is take a look to make sure that you are in the right planning year. So you can click here. We're in 2016-17. Then there are two ways you can enter. You can go to assessment. Once you click on assessment, to me it gets very busy. So what I would suggest is you don't go there. This bar here will take you where you need to go. Go back to the home page. Scroll down to where it says Assessment, Programs that I'm a member of, and Courses that I am an instructor of. You may see one or both of these. Okay, so I recommend going through here where it says Assessment. Programs that I'm a member of, I wouldn't go through there unless you're a lead. So if you're not, which I'm not right now, and pretending I'm not a lead, I'm going to go to the Courses. This will list all of the courses that you are in. In this, I want to do my English 10 SLO, so I'm going to click on English 10. I'm teaching two classes. Well, I taught two classes. This is for the fall. Then I'm going to click on the class that I want to enter the SLO information for. English. The essay is already there because the lead put this in. And the rubric is there. And then the measurement is what we're here for. There's no information here because I have to enter that. So I click Add. Measurement notes here, I'm going to put pass, 22 people pass, no pass, 8 people did not pass. You can also enter, you can also enter information that will help you later when you do this discussion with the department. Like, you notice that a lot of students fell on a certain area or they need help with this area. This way you don't have to have such a good memory. Then here, the sample size, obviously there are 30. Then the actual comes out to be 30 divided by 22 is 73%. I had a calculator, I'm not that good. So that's my actual. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to save the information. After I save the information, you will see this page. Then on this page, you will see your measurement details. And then this is part of what you will use for the discussion later on when you do the discussion with your departments to see what you need to improve, what you want to change. And then this here, document management, we're going to look into this further, but I want you to know in the future we'll be able to put documents that can hold maybe the measurement tool you used, the essay rubric that you used, or the exam that you used. Kind of like a repository, but we're going to go over that more later. So I've entered this class. I have another class, so I can go back, click the green arrow, and then I have to, after I clicked the green arrow, I came back here. If you don't have any more SLOs to enter, just log out. However, if you do, go to Courses. And I have one more class in English 10, so I could go here, but I also teach two 110 classes, so I could go here. So I would have to do this a total of 4 times to enter my SLO data. And remember, if you're the lead, one person will do it for every course. For like English 110, if I were the lead, I would enter it all for all of the other instructors. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck. Thank you.